everybody. Welcome to this yoga event, Yoga and the Power of Sound, from wellyou in collaboration with Joachim. Joachim, thank you so much for being here with us today. I will have Joachim introduce himself in just a second, but for those who don't know what wellyou is all about, we are a holistic and science-based program in an app for physical, mental, and social well-being. And apart from this, we do also host these events. So thank you very much for joining us today. And Joachim, without further ado, please introduce yourself, and we hope that you will enjoy this next session. Thank you.
Perfect. You said my name is Joachim, and I teach for about 20 years Kundalini Yoga and Tai Chi Chuan and Qigong. And great that I have a chance to introduce you to Kundalini Yoga and power of sound and how we use sounds and what benefits we have, physical and mental. One thing before we started, I do have many names I see here, but just a few or less faces and pictures. If you wouldn't mind, it wouldn't make a difference for me when you turn on your camera. I can still see you, how your posture is, where the shoulders are. And when we do movements, if you have the movements right, that would be awesome. I teach for about 1.5 years yoga on Zoom, and I also gave some Tai Chi and Qigong classes, and it works actually very well. You all are muted. One thing you should have with you right now, if you don't have a cushion you can sit on, fold a towel or roll it and sit on the towel. We will have a lot of meditations just sitting. You should be able to sit with crossed legs in easy pose without having the need that you have to pull on your knees or something. When we have longer chanting meditations and you just have to fight how to sit straight, then you cannot have, will not make the real experience of how the sound works on you. Okay, so please have a cushion or towel close. When I started to study and practice myself yoga, there were about 22 different yoga styles. What we have right now is about maybe 10,000. From the last 4 and 5 years, I had a chance to live in Dubai. They gave a lot of different yoga styles in the weekends, all for free. It was a big chance for me to go there and see how the yoga styles are. They are all good. What in Kundalini Yoga, or what Kundalini Yoga makes difference, is that we use mantra sounds, singing, sometimes with movements, Ek, Onkar, Satnam, Siri, Waheguru, and things like that. Also, it has dynamic movements and fitness exercises. All right. Every class, every session, please come sitting in easy pose. Close your eyes for a moment and connect with your breath. Relax your shoulders, your arms to elbows. And please breathe in and exhale with your nose. Let the breath come and go as free as possible. Feel when you inhale how your belly comes out a little bit. And feel when you exhale with your nose that the belly goes in. Enjoy every single breath. First meditation we do, we use a mantra. It's called Om Namo Gurudev Namo. And what you try is, or what we do is, we sing the mantra with one exhale. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. If that would be long, too long for you, so then just take a little breath in between. We never ever force the breath. Please remember, nobody can hear you. When I teach in fitness parks and gyms, when I have a group and ask them to sing, I get maybe half from them to sing. Sometimes even less. They are shy and da-da-da. So that's the good thing with the Zoom connection. Nobody will hear you. So let your voice Just be the voice, just how it is. Huh? We have different massage effect with different sound. The O sound is a massage for the belly part. A is for the heart. O and G on, the sound vibrates right between the eyebrows, the third eye chakra. And the E sound is a gentle massage for the pineal gland, the highest point in the head. So breathing exercise and massage with sounds. Open your eyes, rub your hands together. A little massage for the palms. You can move the hands up and down. One time it's the left hand on top, one time the right, circle movement. Press your palms together and bring it to the chest. Let the thumbs touching your chest so you feel the vibration you make. Om is the word for divine. Namo is calling, regarding. Guru has three meanings. Gu for night and Ru for day. The way from darkness to light is also the word for teacher or wisdom. Dev is not manifested. And Namo again, calling. We're calling the divine teacher within. Okay, all right. Take a deep breath, inhale. And exhale. So please chant with me. Take a deep breath, inhale, first starting. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Deep breath, inhale. Hold the breath a little bit. And with exhale, relax. And while exhaling with your nose, just let your arms going down. Place your hands on your knees for a moment. Close your eyes. Go inside. Breathe, relax, and feel. Keep in mind, we have to stay relaxed to have a massage effect with sounds on the body. When we are relaxed with simply making the sound, every cell from the body will move and dance. We all use sounds for pleasure and pain, or to soothing somebody. When a kid falls and knee is open and runs to the mom, what does the mom? Takes the kid arm and takes on, because we all know those sounds can help for her. with the touching the top from the roof, the palate with the tongue, we create a certain pattern or rhythm, like playing a piano. That technique is called a Shabadguru. With touching the roof from the mouth, we stimulate meridians, chi channels or prana channels. They are direct connected to the higher glands in the pain, pituitary gland and the pineal gland. Okay, that's why we do not translate the mantras. Mantra is a connected word. MAN stands for mind, and TRA is the word for project. We project something to your mind. Sometimes it helps to see the opposite way. Just imagine you would say or speak to yourself, I have a depression, I have a depression, I have a depression for an hour or 2 hours. Most likely you maybe have one. So we can reverse that and speak good things to us. The power of the words. We all know our positive thinking is so helpful. Positive thinking is very, very difficult because the mind is tricky. The thought just comes to the mind. But positive speaking, you can actually read it for yourself. So we can reverse that. I'm in a good mood. I'm happy and healthy and whatever. Those pattern, what we create, that's why we do not translate the mantras. It's called Shabadguru. Shabada means structure, guru from darkness to light. Those meridians direct connected to the higher glands in the body create a positive effect with chanting the words. That's why we do not translate the mantras. And it doesn't matter how we sing the mantra. Let's say Om Namo Gurudev Namo would be 224, 224, and so on, and so on. Then it's always 224. You can sing the mantra Om Namo Gurudev Namo, Om Namo Gurudev Namo. It's 224, 224. Or I can sing it Om Namo Gurudev Namo. We do not change the pattern. All right? Please stretch your legs out, shake your legs quick. Every time you would maybe feel when we sit in easy pose, your legs are getting numb, you want to move them a little bit, go ahead and do so. When we have a longer meditation, you feel your legs pain or numb, you can also sit like this and sing Om Namo Gurudev Namo, switching the leg and things like that. Please come back sitting in easy pose. Let's loosen up a little bit. We do gentle spinal flex. Holding ankles like this, make sure that you not push the elbows out. With inhale with your nose, we arch the back, you make it like this. And with exhale with your nose, you go back like this. It's a little bit of movement like on a horseback riding movement. I'll show you quick from the side, like this. Please go ahead, do not stop. I do not practice with you. Please go ahead, do not stop. Do spinal flex, holding ankles, inhale. Please go ahead, do not stop. It's difficult for me to practice and speak in the same time, and I still have a chance to watch and see what you do. Have it round and smooth, not hard and sharp. Harmony, breath, and movement, spinal flex, a bit like a horseback riding movement. The elbows are not out. It's lower back, chest, spine, the head, and you go back. Go ahead, do not stop. Please use your inner voice and speak to yourself as long as you inhale Sat and as long as you exhale Nam. Sat Nam is a short mantra we use with the silent voice. Sat stands for truth, and Nam for name or nature. Truth is my nature, or truth is my name. Instead of trying to think nothing, we give the mind a little task. It's the mantra Sat Nam. As long as you inhale Sat, and as long as you exhale Nam. Go ahead. At the end, deep breath, inhale, straight spine, hold the breath a little bit. Hold the breath. We force the lungs to open here a little bit. Straight spine, huh? Slowly, completely exhale with your nose. Let your belly go in. Completely exhale, 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 and up. And then hold the breath a little bit without air in the lungs. 3 more seconds. You're doing good. And deep breath, inhale, relax. We do a gentle twisting. You can start with the left or right leg, go to the side like this. Make sure that you keep your spine straight. Do not bend the spine. Just twist to the side. This is exhale. When you inhale, come to the center. Exhale, other side. You can find your own pace and rhythm. Gentle stretching. So let's prepare the body. Go ahead. Let's prepare the body that we can sit for a longer time for healing chanting meditation. Go ahead, left, right, spinal twist. All right, come to the center. Deep breath, inhale. Center, hold the breath a little bit. Exhale, relax. Right away, make a movement from your waist and lower back counterclockwise, like this. Does it look like this? So the shoulders can move a little bit. It's a little bit like a hula hoop movement or belly dance, maybe. You can picture your spine as the center. Have fun making yourself a strong, flexible spine, okay? Like this. Nice massage for the organs in the belly part. Liver, kidneys, spleen, stomach. Is it possible to do it a little bit with more passion? All right, deep inhale, center. Exhale, relax. One more time, please. Stretch your legs out, shake them a little bit. Take them. Stretch it totally out. We massage the legs a little bit. Go down and up, left and right side, the knees. Twice. Massage here. You can also rub a little bit. Tendons, joints. All right, that should be enough. And come back, sitting in easy pose on your cushion or towel. We do one of the oldest healing meditation, okay? The mantra we use for the healing chanting meditation is called Rama Da Sa Sa Se So Hong. Many of the mantras we use have 8 limbs. Ashtanga is it called. The word's meaning is sun, moon, earth, infinity. Infinity, I'm a part of it or I belong to it, okay? The posture we have or we use is like this. The palms are open and showing to the ceiling. Common mistake I see is that the arms are too far out, then they're getting heavy or too much in, okay? So find the right spot. Wrists are relaxed and your arms, the shoulders relaxed. You sit centered on your yoga mat or cushion. And please chant, sing with me, okay? Mahadasa Sasehe Soham 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 Mahadasa sa se soham Rahamahadasa 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 sa sa se so hum. Rahamahadasa 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 sa se so hum. Take a deep breath, inhale, deep breath. The much air you can suck in, the better. Hold the breath, bring your arms in the center and start to shake. Hold the breath and shake. Hold the breath, shake, turn a little bit left, then a little bit right. Come to the center, don't stop shaking, exhale. Whole body can shake. Take a deep breath, inhale, hold the breath and shake left and right and center, exhale. One more, last time, deep breath, inhale and shake. The whole body can shake everything. Come to the center, hold the breath, don't stop shaking. And exhale, relax. Just place your hands in your left and right or right and left. Close your eyes for a moment. Go inside and breathe. Relax and feel. Ramadasa Sase Soham, one of the oldest healing meditation I could find. The open palms on the left and right side to receive the healing energy. The shaking at the end from the meditation to bring the healing energy in every single part, in every cell from the body. Not too bad, huh? Open your eyes, please. And again, please stretch your legs a little bit out, shake them. So let's prepare the body for the next chanting meditation. No easy thing. Many things can come to the mind. The pain maybe in the shoulders, because usually people have too much tension in chest and shoulders and things like that. Yes. So shake your legs. Bring your legs together like this. We do a little bit butterfly. Also for butterflies, please try to sit with straight spine, not like this. Huh? Straight spine. Now we just move up and down the knees a little bit. Just let them swing. One of the best exercises to open the hip joints. But you have to sit with straight spine posture, shoulders down. Yep. Come back in easy pose. Before we did spinal flex holding ankles. Now we do the same movement with holding knees. Huh? That horseback riding movement. Start slowly, carefully feel first, how does it feel for you when you in and exhale? Make sure that you involve your whole spine in the movement. So it's lower back, chest, spine, and then the neck vertebrae. And when you go backwards, when you exhale, same. It's lower back, chest, spine, and the head. When you come to the chest, spine, and inhale from the front part, think of making yourself tall, pulling yourself up to the ceiling. So it's not just a back and forth movement. It's also up and down. All right, let's do this. This is inhale and exhale. Please go ahead, do not stop. I do not practice with you, okay? I cannot look, I can still see if you, yeah, it looks good. Make sure not pushing the elbows out, nice and round. And also for this meditation, we use the mantra Sat Nam. Please use your inner voice. And as long as you inhale, you speak Sat to yourself. And as long as you exhale Nam, instead of trying to think nothing, we give the mind a little task. The mantra Sat Nam. Truth is my name, or truth is my nature. What a nice name, huh? I know there's space for thoughts. We also exercise focus and concentration. Always bring your mind back to the short mantra Sat Nam. Sat Nam, Sat Nam, Sat Nam. Have fun making yourself a strong, flexible, pain-free spine. Feel it. Nice and round. 1 more minute to go. In and exhaling with your nose. And again, always bring your mind back to the short mantra, Sat Nam. And the language we use is from Gurmukh. It's very close to Sanskrit, almost like a dialect. Many words are same or similar. Go ahead, keep it up. Keep it up. Sat Nam, Sat Nam, Sat Nam, Sat Nam. Can you do it? Few more seconds, you're doing good. Awesome. At the end, take a deep breath, inhale, straight spine. How much air can you suck in? Fill your lungs with air, straight spine. Hold the breath and gentle tighten Kegel muscles, anus, genital part. It's called root lock, and hold the breath. Force the lungs to open. Straight spine, still root lock. Slowly, completely exhale with your nose. Your belly goes in and up. Don't stop exhaling. Empty your lungs completely. Belly goes in and up, and then we hold the breath without air in the lungs. Chin slightly bent forward, so straighten up your neck vertebrae. Enjoy that moment. Experience a value of a breath. 3 more seconds, you're doing good. We bring mind and focus to the point between the eyebrows. And deep breath, inhale, relax. And exhale. And like before, we place the hands in the lap, right in left or left in right. Close your eyes. We meditate a moment silently and feel. All right, open your eyes, stretch your legs, put out, shake them. Loosen them up a little bit. Last chanting meditation while sitting in easy pose. All right, come back in easy pose. The mantra we use is called Sa, Ta, Na, Ma. 4 words only. Sa stands for birth, Ta for life, Na for death, and Ma for rebirth. It's also a cut, it's Sat, Sata, Nama, Sata, Nama. And while speaking the mantra, we also switch from mudras. When we speak the word Sa, we touch index finger and thumb, and then we switch Sa, Ta, Na, Ma. Mudra means gesture. It's Guyan or Giant mudra, Shuni mudra, Surya mudra, and Buddha or Buddhi mudra. Okay, that would be the lotus mudra, prayer mudra, and so on. Use those 4. You can place your hands on your knees, and we do it loud. We speak the mantra loud for about 2 minutes, and then we whisper the mantra Sa, Ta, Na, Ma. And then we do it silently. You still repeat the mantra, and you use switching from the mudras at the same time. Sa, Ta, na, ma. Okay, and then we come back whispering and loud. Not so difficult. I guide you. All right, please come sitting in easy pose. Hands on your knees. Satanama. 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 Silent. Satanama. 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 sa, ta, na, ma, 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 Satanama, 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 Satanama. Bring your hands together in fingers lock. Lock all fingers in place. And when you left, close your eyes. Breathe and just be with you. Eyes are closed, and we set ourselves a little smile on the face. As I explained in the beginning, speaking or singing the mantra out loud has more physical effect on the body. Silently repeating the mantra has more an impact, positive impact on the mind. That whispering is like the bridge from physical to mind and back from mind to physical. Open your eyes, please. Place your hands on your knees again and start to roll the shoulders. We go first backwards, round and fluid. Feel that your arms, wrists are relaxed, the hands all the way down to the fingertips. Let's move, let's bring the energy a little bit from chest, shoulders, to the arms, down, all the way down to the fingers. Most of the meridians and the fingers, sex organs, feet and face. Nice and round, you can picture the shoulder as center from the circle and enjoy the movement. Almost everybody has tight shoulders. Mine are tight. Find a place you like, stop and change direction. Other side we go. I hear all kinds of noises on my right shoulder, more noises than on my left. So it's like they speak to me, my shoulders. Nice. All right, we stop right here. Arms out on the left and right side. Pretty straight, but we do not lock the joints. Make sure that you not lift your shoulders up. We don't sit like this. You straighten up the neck vertebrae with bringing the chin a little bit closer to the chest. Just that very little bit. It's called neck lock. Okay. Turn your head to the left or right side. The side, the palm you watch faces the ceiling. The palm you're not seeing, you turn downwards. And then turn the head. And by turning the head, you turn your arms, not so much the wrists. Okay, shoulders down. So the palm you look always is faced to the ceiling. And turn. When you come to the left side, you breathe in with your nose. When your head is on the right side, you exhale while exhaling. And turn your head left, you inhale. And exhale. It will take tension from the shoulders for the rest of your life. Let's hope so. So laughing is always welcome. It's not so serious. Huh? You turn your head to the left side with attitude. You inhale with your nose, and while exhaling, you turn right. Feel, it's not much movement, huh? Not so much the wrist. You turn the arms and feel that it has an impact on the whole spine, even lower back, huh? Pace your energy, we will do it for 25 minutes. Just kidding. Just kidding. 2 minutes, huh? I know you can do it. bit longer. Don't give up, huh? Let's work a little bit on willpower. 30 seconds. Stretch, make your arms long when you turn them. And again, we turn the arms, not so much to wrists. Awesome. Take a deep breath in, come to the center and raise both arms. Let the thumbs touching right above your head. Hold the breath. Do not lift your shoulders, huh? And then slowly exhale with your nose, and at the same time, we let the arms go down on the left and right side. Closing or finishing a meditation like this is to strengthening your aura, all right? Please lay down on your back. Lay down on your back and support with your hands. Bring your hands on the left and right side below your hips. Not so much the lower back, but below your hips. Head and shoulders is on the yoga mat, and then just bring both legs up and make a movement like bicycling. Yep, just like this, bicycling. Yep. You can even close your eyes and picture or imagine yourself bicycling somewhere, maybe at the woods or a nice place, at the lake. Go ahead. Bicycling, nice movement. Go ahead, cycling, circle both legs like this. Yeah, very good. Yeah, just like this. Perfect. Yeah, bicycling movement. There's no rule for the breath, so breathe. Make sure that you not arch your lower back, support your lower back with bringing the hands below your hips, and go for it. One more minute. I know you can do it, huh? So don't give up, do it. Bicycling. Very good. Just like a bicycle, huh? Laying on the back. Shoulders, head on the yoga mat. And bicycling. A bit longer, huh? Almost there. 30 more seconds. At the end, take a deep breath in and hold the breath and raise both legs up 90 degrees up and hold the breath. 90 degrees up, huh? Bend both legs and press your feet down to the yoga mat, close to the buttocks. And exhale, stretch your legs out. All right, bring your hands left and right side to the body, palms facing upwards, and close your eyes for a moment. Breathe, deep breathing, enjoy the breath. Let thoughts come and go, no judgment for any thought. And please allow every part from your body, every cell, every single muscle to relax and renew. The more you're able to relax and let go for the next couple of minutes, the more benefits you will have from the chanting meditations and exercise we did, okay? With every inhale, you will gain strength and energy. And with every exhale, let your whole weight, let everything, let go, let go, let go. Open your eyes, please. Welcome back. And then stretching like in the morning, bring your arms up and stretch. You can point your toes, stretch. All right, please rub your hands again and start to massage your face. It's like a washing movement. Forehead to the side, cheeks a little bit. Breathe and also use your mind to let go of any tension from the face. All right, still laying on your back, shoulders, head on the yoga mat. Bend both legs and bring your knees close to the chest and grab your knees from outside. And then swing your whole body a little bit to the left and right, left and right, left and right. Yeah, we massage the back with left and right, a little bit to the left and a little bit to the right. Play a little bit with the movement, wake up exercise. Not too far to the left, not too far to the right, just a little massage for the back. And then at one point, you let your body totally drop to the left or right side, completely. And use that side to come back sitting in easy pose. Do not go back on the back, come over the side, up, back to your cushion or towel, sitting in easy pose. Turn your head from left to the right side as saying no. Gentle stretch on the left and right side. Always carefully with head and neck exercises. Gentle stretching on the left and right side. All right, come to the center. Please, in purpose, we make very small circle with the head. You can start clockwise or counterclockwise. In purpose, we make a small circle and we just enjoy the movement with totally relaxed face, all right? So just enjoy the movement from the neck vertebrae as your shoulders are relaxed. No rule for the breath, but we breathe in and out with the nose. Just be with you. Find a spot you like, stop and change direction. Other side we go a little bit. And come to the center. Raise your hands on your knees. At the end, we sing a small song. It's called May the Long Time Sunshine Upon You, All Love Surround You. You just follow the words. We sing it 3 times, okay? May the long time sunshine upon you, all love surround you, and the pure light within you guide your way on. May the long time sunshine upon you, all love surround you, and the pure light within you guide your way on. May the long time sunshine upon you, all love surround you, and the pure light within you guide your way on. Guide your way on. As we started, remember, rubbing hands, circle movement, left hand up, right hand up. Prayer mudra, like this, bring it to the chest. Take a deep breath, inhale for long, Satnam. One more time, deep inhale. And with exhale, relax the breath. Emilia, that was it. Please stay a little bit longer. If you have some questions, and let me know how you feel, give me some feedback. All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Joaquin. That was lovely. Everyone, I hope you all feel relaxed and calm. And for those of you watching this on YouTube, just check down below where you can find more links, where you can find wellyou and Joaquin. Thank you so much for joining us today, and hopefully see you around again in one of our future sessions. Goodbye, everybody.